Good morning, Wildcats. I have so many things to catch you up on today. Because we have a new computer system this year, there are some reports that I'm used to getting that we hadn't quite figured out how to pull, and we finally have them. And from these reports, we're able to do a couple of really important things. One of them is the big board, which is one of the most fun things that we do in the 9th grade academy. It's when we get to celebrate and have parties for all the good things that you guys are doing. So finally, I was able to put some numbers on our big board. So if you want to just kind of show them what the big board looks like with the phone, that would be cool. These are all of the C25 teachers up here. They're all listed in alphabetical order. And one of the reports that we just pulled shows the class average of every kid in that C25. So basically, every single person in your C25 has a grade for every single class. Those get averaged together, and then everybody else in the class grades get averaged together, and we come up with the class average. So right now, as of today, these are your class averages for your C25. We will get another one of these reports tomorrow, and then I'm going to change these numbers because the higher your grades get, the higher these class averages are going to get. So that's why it's important to update the board weekly. I want you to look at this board all the time so that you can see who the current winners are. Right now, in first place, we have Miss Lewis's C25. They have a class average of 91. That's amazing. That is super high. That's awesome. Our second place people, three-way tie, Miss Hembry, Miss Westifer, and Mr. White. And then in third place, we have Miss Dixon's C25. So there's still plenty of time for you to get your grades up and be in first place. And the cool thing about first place is that on October 13th, which is in a few weeks, we're going to have our Big Board Reward Day. We should have already had one of these, but we were a little late getting started with the Big Board this year. So this will be our first reward day, and it's gonna be a giant, awesome pizza party. So all you have to do is get your grades up, keep your grades up, and encourage your C25 friends to get their grades up too, because you want to be in first place on the big board. So check out the big board. Every Friday morning I have new numbers up here. Okay, second thing that we are able to do with these reports is that we're finally able to do something that we call pulse checks. We've missed lots of weeks of our pulse checks, but it's okay, it's not too late. This Friday and every Friday in C25, you will fill out your pulse check form, which means you will, in these boxes on this piece of paper, which you will get on Friday, you will put in every grade that you currently have in your classes. And every Friday, you will track your grades using your phone and going on eClass. If you don't have a phone, or if your eClass isn't working for whatever reason, no worries. Your teacher will have a report and will be able to show you all of your grades for every class and talk to you about those grades. Because our C25s change so much, your teachers will not keep your pulse check sheets. You're going to keep your pulse check sheets, and you're going to put them inside your planner. We're going to staple them in there, and you're going to own your pulse check sheets with your planner. That's different because we move around our C25 so much. If the teacher keeps them, you won't see your teacher after a couple weeks. If we change your schedule, your pulse check sheet is gone. So this Friday we will start something new, and you will keep track of your grades. Last thing I want to tell you about is this super cool contest that we didn't really advertise, and I want to advertise it now. Come on. You're going to want to get close to me so they can hear me, baby. So you may or may not have noticed this poster that's right outside my office. It says, "Who's your rock star teacher?" It's got some pens and some little slips of paper. When you come by here, whenever you have a second, I want you to write down the name of your favorite teacher and stick it in this envelope. And then when we have our Big Board Reward Day, we will also announce our rock star teacher. And the rock star teacher will get this amazing inflatable guitar put on your door. And we didn't really advertise this the first month of school because I just wanted to see how it went. But we did pull the names of those of you who voted. We pulled the names out of here. And our winner was Coach White. Not in here? That's okay. Coach White was the winner. Show us the poster of the first Rockstar Teacher Award. So now we've got a new envelope up there and new names and a new pen. You're gonna look up at me now. So I want you to vote, guys, okay? So big board, start checking it out every single Friday. Get your grades up. Pulse check sheets will start this Friday. They're gonna be in your planner. Your teachers will talk to you about your grades every single Friday. And Rockstar Teacher, vote for the best one. Have a great day.